What to expect when we repair your hail-damaged car. The PDR process. Hail damage can be a frustrating and unsightly problem for car owners, but with the right approach, it can be fixed quickly and easily. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the process of Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, and how it can help you get your car back to its pre-damage condition in no time. Step 1 is a consultation with a technician. They will examine your car and provide an estimate for the repair, which can be more affordable and quicker than traditional repair methods. If you decide to proceed with the repairs, we will work with your insurance company to file a claim and get the repairs covered. They will help guide you through the process of filing a claim and make it as seamless as possible. Once the insurance claim is filed, you will need to drop off your car at the repair shop, where it will be kept in a secure and climate-controlled facility. The next step is the repair process. Using specialized PDR tools and techniques, the technician will gently massage the dents out of your car's body. This typically involves carefully pushing the metal back into place from behind the panel. After the repairs are complete, the technician will inspect your car to ensure that all the dents have been properly removed and that your car's appearance has been fully restored. Finally, you'll be able to pick up your car from the shop. If the repairs were covered by insurance, the technician will help finalize the claim with the insurance company before your car is returned to you. You'll be able to drive away with the confidence that comes with a car that looks and feels great. And that's the PDR process and customer journey, easy and hassle-free, with results that will make you feel like you're driving a brand new car. Don't let hail damage hold you back. Trust the experts at our auto hail repair and body shop to get your car back to its pre-damage condition in no time.